Hello and welcome to PH Maths. Today's explainer is vectors, quantities with both magnitude and direction. Not just a number, but a number with a direction attached. By the end of this video, you'll know how to add them, scale them, and spot parallel vectors instantly. Definition: a vector has magnitude and direction. Written as a column, x is on top and y is on the bottom, or as an arrow in a diagram. The vector x, y means x units right and y units up. Vector a, b from point A to point B is the displacement from A to B. Direction matters. That's what makes a vector different from a number. Key insight: two vectors are parallel if one is a scalar multiple of the other. So A parallel to B means A equals K times B for some number K. If K is positive, they point the same way. If K is negative, opposite ways. To check parallelism, divide corresponding components. Same ratio means parallel. Common mistake: vector AB and vector BA are negatives of each other, not the same. AB means from A to B. BA means from B to A. That's the opposite direction. They have the same magnitude but opposite signs. So vector BA equals minus vector AB, always. Quick example: vector A equals 3, 2. 2A equals 6, 4. Same direction, twice the magnitude. Minus A equals minus 3, minus 2. Same magnitude, opposite direction. All three vectors are parallel. Same direction line, different scaling.